Good morning, everyone. This is Aaron Oates with the Hoffman Auto Group. Today I'm at Hoffman Ford leaning on a very large F-250 diesel. Just an example vehicle for me to talk about, hey, it's springtime and it's time to start thinking about maintenance and what your car needs to get you through the summer. We are traveling this summer. We're hauling stuff to the yard this summer. We're using our trucks, we're using our cars, and we're putting them through it. And we haven't done much all winter long. We're past that, and hopefully they fix the potholes. Pollen's out. Check that cabin air filter and make sure the air in your cabin's clean. Underhood checks available to you through us. Don't forget your tires, rotations, checks overall for those, and the quality for good, safe travels this summer when you're on vacation. And as for you industrial guys out there, remember this is the time to get your trucks and your fleet looked at. We're more than happy to take care of that for you. So nothing real specific here, just a reminder, springtime's up. Get your car maintained, looked at, inspected, however you want to phrase it. We're here and willing to go through that and make sure you guys have a really good, solid, safe motoring summer. This is Aaron Oates for Tech Talk at the Hoffman Auto Group.